Welcome back to Tecnologías. In this video, I am going to show you how you can see the time and date that they publish their status on WhatsApp. The first thing we are going to do is go to WhatsApp application and we are going to go the news or updates. In updates, we can see one status. In my case, it's my status. Press in and we can see 3 minutes ago. Okay, so it will have with the other people, yes, by chance is no appears to you because possibly this person has a restriction and it is quite easy to unblock for the other person. It but left wait for another video. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more content with us.